Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to delete partitions with the AOMEI Partition Assistant. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to delete partitions from your hard drive or SSD using the AOMEI Partition Assistant, you can just follow these steps. So let's start by deleting this first partition up here. If I right click on this and I click on delete partition, you'll have these different options where you can either choose to delete the partition quickly, which will delete the partition without wiping the data, or you can delete the partition and wipe the data. So basically what this means is, do you want the data to be recoverable on this drive or not? If you don't want the data to be recoverable, you'll need to select the second option, and you can select any one of these options, but you can see that some of these options will take a very long time to complete. For this tutorial, I'm just going to select this first option that says fill sectors with 0, safe and quick, and then click on OK. Now, once I did that, if you have a look at this apply button up here, you'll see it's now changed, so we can apply those actions. So to apply those actions, we can click on apply, and it'll give us a summary of the pending operations. So what it's going to do now is it's going to wipe the data on hard disk number 3 that we selected, and it's also going to delete the partition on hard disk number 3 that we selected. And down here, it also gives you an estimated time of how long this might take. So if you're happy with that, you can click on proceed, and then you'll be prompted if you're sure you want to start with this. You can just click on yes, and then it's going to start executing those operations. If it's going to take a long time and you want to shut down your computer after all of these operations have been completed, you can also click on this box here to shut down the computer after completing all operations. But for this tutorial, we're just going to wait for this to finish. And once it's finished, you'll see this message that says, congratulations, all operations have been completed successfully. You can just go ahead and click on OK. So now, if we go ahead and we have a look at disk number 3, we can see that we still have 3 partitions, but this first one is unallocated. Now that's great if we only wanted to delete and wipe one single partition on the drive, but what if we actually want to format and delete all the partitions on this drive? Then we can select the disk, right click on it, and then we can click on delete all partitions. Again, we'll see the same window. For this example, I'm just going to leave the delete all partitions selected and then click on OK. Once again, before that's executed, we have to click on apply. So I'll go ahead and click on apply. It'll give us another summary of the pending operations. I'll just go ahead and click on proceed and then click on yes. And we'll just wait for this to finish. And then once again, click on OK on this window. Now, if we go back to disk number 3, we can see that it's a clean disk with no partitions on it because all of this space is unallocated. So I hope this guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll talk to you soon.